Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be drawing our winner of the Hydro Flask giveaway. So what I want you to do now before we do the draw for this bottle is leave a comment down below and let myself and Hydro Flask know what your favourite Hydro Flask product is that you want us to give away next. Hydro Flask does watch these videos and they do read the comments down below. So Hydro Flask Australia may just give away your favourite Hydro Flask product on my channel and it will give you a chance to win that product. The odds are really good. I'm surprised not more people just left a comment, a like and shared the video. It's not that hard. All for a chance to win a Hydro Flask that's worth around $70, $80. Now, first of all, I'd like to thank Hydro Flask Australia for sponsoring this giveaway. The winner will be receiving one of these sent out to your home directly from Hydro Flask Australia. If you missed out on winning one of these, go down below in the description box and you'll find a link to the Hydro Flask Australia website and you'll be able to buy your very own limited edition Timberline Hydro Flask or any of their other great products. Now, I wish you all the very best of luck. Let's go inside and draw the winner. Wow, as you just saw, the first winner picked was Hydro Flask Australia, who also left a comment on the video. So we had to repick, as you saw, and Michael AU has won this Hydro Flask here. Well, not this actual one, but one just like it. These are a great Hydro Flask. I absolutely love this one. And this is my one, so you're not getting that one, Michael. But you will be getting one just like it, sent out by Hydro Flask Australia. I also will link his channel around here somewhere. I don't know where it's going to show up. And if anyone is interested in the winner's YouTube channel, he's not very active on YouTube with his uploads. He does have a few videos up, but he's a consistent follower of my channel. And he leaves comments on lots of videos, which I much appreciate. And it looks like, in this case, leaving a comment on my videos has paid off. Now, for the winner to claim their prize, just contact Hydro Flask Australia direct via their customer service link on their webpage, which is linked down below. And contact Tisha from customer service directly and she will take care of everything that needs to be taken care of for you to get your Hydro Flask delivered to your house. Now, if you want to be part of further Hydro Flask giveaways, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.